Nothing better than farm life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
You're your own boss. You get to do things when you want to do them. Nobody tells you what to do, basically. Get to spend my days with my wife when she helps me.
Okay, well, so you've been farming for a while.
Yeah.
Will you talk to us a little bit about the changes you've seen, and then maybe also where you think everything's gone?
The changes I've seen went from plowing to no-till, pencil and paper, to computers, smartphones, manuals, no power steering on tractors, to self-driving tractors. My grandpas both farmed with horses. My dad farmed with horses. Took me 10 minutes to do what used to take my grandpa all day to do with a combine. It's amazing. Where it's going, sky's the limit.